If you have a door closer like this on a screen door that you need to replace, don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it in less than 15 minutes. This really is a quick job. And many times, depending on the condition of the hardware that's actually on the door and on the jamb, all you have to do is replace the cylinder. Now, when you head to the hardware store, you'll notice that there's a bunch of different size cylinders based on the weight, the heaviness of the door. And so you want to make sure that you're purchasing the correct size as well as color that you prefer. We have a white door and it's a black closer here. But when you go ahead and do that, it's as simple as removing the old cylinder. There's a pin right here that you're going to kind of adjust and pull out that removes the cylinder. And there's a pin over on the jamb side. And then that just comes out. And you're going to put that down to the side. This is the new cylinder that we're going to put on there. And I've already locked this in place to hold it open. And I'm going to take that same hardware and put that on to the hardware on the door here just to make sure that it fits. These pins, by the way, may not always fit the exact cylinder, so you want to use what's coming in the package. It's a good idea when you have it all off to go ahead and tighten these screws a little bit on that hardware. Make sure everything is, nice and tight before you put it on there. It's not that this is in your way. You could remove it again if you wanted to. And then you just take this with that new pin, as I mentioned, that came with the new closer, and you pop it in there. That's it. That's all you have to do. Many of these closers have an adjustment screw here to adjust how the door opens and closes, the strength of it. This particular one, you loosen and actually spin the cylinder and put it back in there. But that's it. You replace that cylinder, that door is going to open and close like new. Look at that. You fix it in 15 minutes, actually less.